Hello everybody, Danny and Wanda back from Pecan Grove. We are out here today, guys. I screwed up. I thought I had more onion seeds than I did. Went through the seed bank and realized I don't. So we're going to plant what seeds we have today. And it looks like this year is going to be a year we're going to have to order sets again. Now, last year we ordered from Dixondale. Had the worst year we've ever had. Now, I'm not saying it was Dixondale's fault, but everybody else that I talked to had the same problem. So this year, because I have never ordered from Homestead, I'm going to try them this year. Now, we have 2 packs of seeds here of onions that I found. They're older seeds, but they're a red Creole onion. They're a short day onion.
From Homestead.
From Homestead. And then I have one here called a red barren raw organic onion from Harris Seeds. Now, it doesn't say on here if these are short day, day neutral, long day, or whatever, but I'm guessing, being as I have them, they're probably a short day onion. I haven't looked them up to see or anything like that. So these are the 2 varieties we're going to be planting today, and both of them are red. I do like red onions, but I also like my big Texas Legends and, you know, my Savannah Sweets and stuff like that. I really like those onions. So, because I messed up and didn't realize that we were out of seeds, that won't happen again. I'm going to make sure that we have onion seeds from here on out. In the transition of moving from Deepsouth over to Pecan Grove, I haven't been diligent like I should have been. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this seed starting mix.
And these are the whole seed trays.
Yep, this is the 92, I think it's 92 cell tray.
I don't know, you could count them, but we've got the water tray and the little seed tray.
But this is some extremely dry stuff here. I always pat mine. We have another bag right here.
All right.
This is natural and organic seed start mix from Walmart.
Jiffy.
These are the red barren from
Harris
Seed. There's one that ordered them this year.
Okay.
Now, do you know where you ended up at?
Let's take these 2 and put them in with something else just in case.
Okay.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 of them all the way across.
6 times 9, 54.
We got 54. All right.
All right, now the horse tools.
These are the red Creole.
Okay, so I'm going to start next to it.
Yeah, start right next to it.
Keep an eye on that one because I can't.
Unless you want to skip a whole run across there.
Why?
That way we'll know which is, there'll be a space between them.
Okay. 7, we're going to start here. Let's see, one dropping every now and then.
All right, well, y'all get the gist of it. I'm not going to sit here and make y'all watch Miss Wanda plant all of these. Okay, Miss Wanda finished the rest of this tray out, and we still got so many of them left, I sort of said, well, let's just go ahead and do a couple of rows, at least in this other tray down here.
We're going to do 3.
3 rows, and because we got so many of the seeds, and so we might, as much as we love onions, our thought is, let's just do it.
I still have. So Homestead has more seeds
Than Harris
than
does.
Harris.
Way more seeds. Alright guys, here we have the Mountain Valley This is called a self-blanching cauliflower. So Ms. Wanda is going to plant those by hand. We were going to use a little seeder, but it got damp, and now the seeds won't stick. Oh, they will stick. Now you want 3. Yeah, let's do the 4th one there. This may take a little time, but I tell you what, it is well worth it.
We love cauliflower.
We love cauliflower.
We got hooked on that, so.
That's right. Oh, we got 4 in that one.
I got too many in that one. Can't tell. I think
right there, yeah.
So we're going to have mostly cauliflower across here.
You did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 9. Is that 45?
Yeah.
That's a lot of cauliflower.
Yeah. All right. So we want.
What are we doing next?
Broccoli.
Cauliflower and broccoli look a lot alike. What else do we have?
So let's hold on.
We got cabbages. I got several different varieties of cabbage over there.
Fairy Morris.
Don't pour them out.
Fairy's Round Dutch.
Yeah.
And we just need how many? All right, where's my row?
Hold on. Let's look right here. I see a seed in this one and this one.
I got one in this one.
There's no, okay. This is the one you need right here. We like cabbage too now, so don't.
Yeah, which one here?
Yep.
You gotta keep your eye on this.
Yeah, we like our cabbage, so.
All right, here. No.
Next one right there, you had it. No, Steve, go back. No, go towards you, right there. That's good. Oh, that variety.
That is the
round Dutch. Now let's try the Copenhagen.
Well, let's do
do a red one. Yeah.
This is Hoss Tools Red Acre Cabbage. Now,
all right. Let's just see here.
Now, where was that?
Looks like there's a seeds in this line right here.
So in this one.
This line here don't have any.
We're not going to have some of everything in here, but let's do 2 of these.
Another variety from Hall's Tool called Spring Crisp Chinese Cabbage. I used to grow that a long time ago. Not long after we first got married, remember? It made that tall.
Okay, these are coated seeds.
Okay, these may be treated. It may say on there that they're treated.
So this one?
Yes, where my finger's at.
I don't know where we put
Oh, you're putting lots of seeds in them because you can see them.
I should have had this all along, I could tell.
Yeah, you're getting several seeds in each one of them.
I'm putting 2 because these seeds are treated. These are treated seed. All right, now we have like 3.
You don't have any broccoli.
Yeah, let's do the broccoli one.
Finish it out in broccoli.
Okay. And this is Fairy Morris.
What does that say? Del Chico? Or
Yeah.
a De Chico?
Something like that.
Alright, so we're going to have this thing finished out here. We got some onions. We got some cabbages of 3 different varieties in here.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Now broccoli.
Now the broccoli. Yeah, there's a lot of little cells in this thing right here.
And we have several, so.
We got piles of these trays. You look over yonder at them. I got them stacked up over there in the corner. I got probably several hundred more things we can do, but right now this is where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle the seed starter mix on top of it and wet it down. Put some water in a tray like I did this one over here, and then we're gonna put the top on this thing. Okay guys, we got her finished up. We got our onions, little onions, and then we got the rest of our mixed fall crops here. All in our seed starting trays from Hall's Tool. We'll have links in the description down below for all this stuff. Time now to close this baby up. I love this setup. Oh my goodness, I love this setup. You know, it's just, and I know a lot of people's looking going, man, it's the fall, and why are you so worried? Well, the Deep South, you know, we have probably there's only one group of people that has a longer growing season than we do, and that's what we call the Deep South, and that's South Florida and South Texas. Has a longer growing season than we do. Lots of people think they have a long growing season, but we can grow like 365 days a year now that we have the high tunnel. We can grow our crops. Outside, you can grow about 300 days a year. So that's a pretty long growing season, and when you have that, because the fall is so mild and so cool, not cold, has cool mornings, warm days, cool mornings, warm days, the insects literally go crazy in the fall and the early spring here in the Deep South. And that is why you see us putting these covers on here like this for the fall, is simply because we're trying to keep the insect population down as much as we can. I mean, you saw we put the cabbages in the one over there, and the leaves still got ate off of them. That's how bad the insect problem is here in the Deep South. So, guys, I hope today that you've enjoyed watching us get some of our fall stuff up and ready to go. And be sure to like and subscribe to us, because, guys, we do not get put in the algorithm unless you give us a thumbs up and you subscribe to us, because channels that don't have a lot of subscribers, YouTube just does not put them in the algorithm to get this information out there to people, because we are running on fumes in this economy, and it is very, very important that we get as much word out as we can to people about being prepared for what's fixing to happen. Thank you guys from Pecan Grove.